What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be telling you how to buy and sell on Bullx. For that the process is very simple. All you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So let's get into the video. Let's go to the buy option, and in the buy option write the volume that you want to buy. For example, it can be as low as you want, and go to the buy option, tap on buy, and you can even set your order setting. For example, it totally depends upon you. So once you're done with your order setting, just close the setting and go to the buy option again. So once you're in the buy option again, all you have to do now is to go and click on buy option. Once you do it, your order will be placed and your transaction will be made using your wallet of Solana. So that's how you do it. In order to sell the asset that you just bought, go to the sell option. In the sell option, just go and type in the amount that you want to sell. For example, the total volume of that, and you can sell according to the percentage of the total volume you have. So just tap on sell button. Once you do it, you will receive a notification that your asset has now been sold. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.